Welcome back, Codenjas. So today we are solving the most important interview question. First unique character in a string. So here they given a string called LeetCode, and we need to find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. So if it doesn't exist, and we need to return -1. So first we need to check whether the string is available or not. So this is the base case. If s dot length equals to 0, we need to return 0. This is the base case that we need to run initially, and in for loop. So currently I'm solving it in using brute force approach. I used to take I equals to 0 and s dot length I plus plus, and here I will take a variable named unique, which initially I'll take it as true, and I'll take another loop for checking for the string j less than a dot length and j plus plus. So here I am checking if the I and j are equal or not. So here I'll take a condition if s dot caret of I equals to s dot caret of j, and if both are not in the same index, which is I not equals to j, then we need to change the unique variable to false and break it. In the outer loop, if it is true, the unique is true, then we need to return I. Otherwise we need to return the -1. This is how the code works. Yes, this is the brute force approach for this kind of problem.